West.
Well, hope you've enjoyed a nice Wednesday. Pretty nice start this morning with temperatures down in the 50s and low 60s. It felt comfortable today. Yes, warm. It's June. There's the view right now as we look off to the south and southwest from Scott Stadium. We get a little bit of haze in the sky. That's from that Canadian wildfire smoke. Let's take a look at some of the enhancement because of the smoke particulates in the atmosphere. This is the fiery red sunrise from this morning, captured by a warm fault there in Augusta County. And maybe you missed it last night. You can see it tonight. Shortly after 9:30 and beyond, rising in the eastern sky will be the strawberry moon of June. Greg Redfern captured that last night. Debbie Burton as well. Warren Fault earlier this morning as the moon was setting. As far as those smoke particulates in the atmosphere, we're going to deal with this periodically. It's been overhead throughout the course of the day, but thankfully aloft, so we're not smelling it here at the surface, and basically moderate air quality. It will begin to move farther north as we move into Friday, and so there will be some improvements there. 84 is our current number. Again, the dew point is fairly low for early June in the low 60s. Some are in the 50s, such as the Shenandoah Valley Airport, a dew point of 57. 83, the current number after a morning low of 55. Right now, we've got numbers pretty much in the low 80s across the region. We'll settle into the low and mid 60s here tonight under mostly clear skies. Now, Thursday will be the hottest day of the week. And if we hit or exceed 90 degrees at the airport, that'll be our warmest or hottest day so far for the calendar year. So many of us across central Virginia in the low 90s, pretty close to the Shenandoah Valley. A dry day tomorrow, a little more humid, but then more humidity, and that will build with showers and thunderstorms as we move into Friday and the upcoming Father's Day weekend. None of these days will be washouts, but again, we'll have both wet and dry times heading through the Father's Day weekend. Rainfall amounts here looking from, say, Friday through Sunday night, anywhere from maybe 1 to 2 inches. Of course, any storm can produce localized higher amounts of rain. So things are quiet now thanks to the area of high pressure. A front that came through yesterday is stalled off to our south and east with some showers and thunderstorms mainly confined to the Carolinas and the coast. Our next front's across the upper Midwest, and that will be slowly inching in our direction as we move into the weekend. Right now, you can see some ongoing showers and storms, severe thunderstorm watch box across portions of northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. So as we take a look at futurecasts, again, in the morning, we'll start still comfortable, temperatures in the low and mid 60s. Then we'll heat up as numbers climb at or above 90 degrees for many locations. As we move into Friday now, more clouds to start the day. You'll notice that uptick in the humidity, mid and upper 60s to start the day. And then as we move into the mid and late afternoon, temperatures will range anywhere from the mid 80s to around 90 with some of the scattered showers and thunderstorms developing, some with heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and that'll take us into the weekend as our next front approaches. So tonight, mostly clear, seasonable, pretty nice. Temperatures in the low and mid 60s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, the heat is on, higher humidity here by Friday and this weekend, but the temperature's back down. But with that will be rain chances. Again, not looking at washouts, a very summery pattern. Temperatures do back off in the first part of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And a check of your forecast.